Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You first confirm the Creta head unit supports CarPlay and that your iPhone has Siri and Bluetooth active. Plug an Apple-approved Lightning cable into the phone and the USB port labeled CarPlay, or place the phone near the dash if wireless is supported. Once done, unlock your iPhone and allow any permission prompts. Make sure to tap Trust when asked. This initiates the handshake, so the infotainment can detect your phone and begin loading CarPlay apps and controls. You'll now start the active CarPlay session by selecting the CarPlay icon on the Creta's touchscreen or using the physical phone/media button. When the iPhone prompts, allow access to contacts, messages, and maps so voice and navigation features work. Tapping Allow connects those services to the dash. Make sure Siri is responding. Press and hold the steering wheel voice button to test. If you want different app order, make changes in iPhone settings General CarPlay. They'll update immediately on the... You can now use Apple CarPlay to navigate, call, text, and play audio. Press the steering wheel voice button or tap app icons for quick commands. Make sure the Creta audio source is set to CarPlay and that volume is up. If media won't play, check the phone audio output. If CarPlay disconnects, restart your iPhone, swap the Lightning cable, or disable and re-enable CarPlay and Bluetooth on the phone. One practical fix: reboot the head unit by turning the car off and back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.